Howdy everybody, welcome back to the channel where our goal is to provide relevant education and accurate information for all things self-defense from the civilian perspective for the civilian. My name is Craig. I got a different video today for you guys. I want to go over my truck box, or kind of my emergency roadside box that I have right here. I'm going to show y'all some of the things that I keep in here that I use specifically for like a vehicle emergency, or try to keep my vehicle up and running in the event something happens. So these items are actually in addition to what I keep in my cab. So like medical, I keep flashlights, knives, stuff like that. So this is some additional stuff. This is an ammo crate, and one of the reasons why I like this box is because some of the stuff in here I want to keep dry, and this ammo crate is actually sealed and does a good job of keeping the weather out. Even though I do have a covered bed, I want to be 100% sure that no water or anything like that gets into some of these things that I want to keep dry. So anyway guys, let's look into the box. I'm going to show you what I've got in here, maybe give you some ideas on something that you want to put together. But I've used a lot of these things multiple times, so here we go. Alrighty guys, here we go. So first things first, a tow strap. You can see that I have used this multiple times, but it's pretty self-explanatory. If there's ever any instances where you need to pull somebody else out, or you need to pull yourself out of mud, sand, whatever, a good tow strap is a great thing to have. Jumper cables. Like I said, stranded motorist, either for you or for yourself. If you need to jump, somebody else needs a jump. Jumper cables, they always come in handy. Next is a portable air compressor. Like I said, this does I've used this multiple times. It does a really good job in the event that you've got a, you put your spare on. A lot of people don't check the tire pressure in their spare tire because they don't use it. So you can use that to air it up, or if you've got a slow leak, you can use this to keep you up and running. Next, I've got a cold weather beanie in the event that I'm either stranded, stuck in my car, stuck in my truck, and it gets cold, or I need to walk away and vacate the premises or go somewhere else and it's freezing cold or whatnot. Most of the heat that evaporates or gets dispersed from your body is through your head. So this right here is a good one to have. I got an extra pair of shorts just in case whatever, I get wet, I get muddy, I'm changing a tire, I need a fresh set of clothes. I've got these shorts right here. In addition, I've got a couple extra pair of socks. That's kind of self-explanatory as well. And then guys, I know this kind of sounds funny, extra pair of underwear. Yeah, you're changing a tire, you get sweaty, you get muddy, or whatnot. Underwear is great to have. I got a couple sets of gloves, some high-vis gloves right here, and then also right there, just basic maintenance, changing tires, things like that. I've got an all-weather radio that I can crank in case I need to. Just got some small channel locks if I need to do something or whatnot. It's just always good to have. I've got a Mylar emergency blanket. This can be used for either to keep somebody warm during a trauma event, or an emergency cold blanket. This helps out. I got 2 sets of sunglasses. Once again, guys, if something happens where it's out in the middle of the sun, we're down in South Texas, and either you need to leave your vehicle or you need to do some work, it's always good to have eye protection. Extra baseball hat just in case. Pair of pants. Like I said, if you got to change, you get dirty, or let's say you're coming home from work and you've got to evacuate your car, and you don't want to walk home or walk to wherever in your dress slacks or whatnot. An extra good pair of pants. I also keep a pair of shoes. They're not shown, but I keep a pair of old tennis shoes in my truck as well. Chem light. Gotta have duct tape. So this last one, I got a tire repair kit with some super glue in there. It's basically a plug kit. I actually had to use that, and I'm glad I had it during Harvey in 2017. I actually had to change my tire at 2 o'clock in the morning after I was helping some people get out of the floods. I had to put my spare on. That next morning, I actually patched up my original tire because I couldn't get to a discount or any tire place because we were flooded in. So luckily I had a tire repair kit. got that tire back on, and just a couple days later I had another flat. So being able to keep your vehicle up and running, keep your tires in workable condition in the event that you're not able to get to some type of tire repair center, this is critical. This is critical. And then down here I've just got some USB charger and some other USB cables or whatnot. But that pretty much sums up everything I've got in here, guys. I've used some of these things quite a few times. I haven't touched other things, but nonetheless, just some stuff that I thought would be very important to always keep in my truck. Guys, thank y'all so much for watching. Like I said, the stuff in this box is what I think is important. You might want to put some other stuff in there, but you do you. I just kind of wanted to give you guys some ideas on what I keep in my box. But nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed these videos, we would appreciate a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already joined the family or joined the channel. We'd love to see you again. But nonetheless, guys, thank you so much for watching. Be safe, be smart, be skilled. We'll catch you on the next video.